Welcome to C# lesson DevMasters with you, and today we're gonna install integrated development environment. For the C# there is a lot of different kinds of environments such as Visual Studio, Rider, Visual Studio Code and etc. In this video we will install Visual Studio Community Edition because it's very popular, it is free for personal use and consists all required tools to start coding on C#. First of all, we need to open a browser and navigate to Visual Studio Community download page. I will leave the link below the description of this video. Then click to download Visual Studio and we will start downloading the Visual Studio installer. When the Visual Studio installer has been downloaded, just open it, click continue here. And here we have a different workloads. As we will start from C# basics, we need to select .NET Desktop Development. And you can see here that it will require 5 GB of free space on your drive. So if you want to change a location for installation, you can do it under Installation Locations tab. I will leave all paths as default and let's click to install button and installation will start. This will take some time, so let's get back later. And here we go, Visual Studio Community has been installed, and for now let's run it, but without creating any project, so just clicking continue without code and let's change the color schema. We need to go to tools, then options, then environment and general. And here we have a color theme. You can see here 4 different themes and you can select any and then click OK to see the difference and choose your own. But I will just select dark as my favorite and will apply it by clicking OK button. So basically that's it for today. We have installed Visual Studio and we are prepared to write code on C#. If you will have any questions related to this lesson, you can leave your comments under this video. On the next lesson we will start to write our first application on C#, but for now, like this video, subscribe to DevMasters and get ready to code. Thanks for watching and see you on the next lesson.